This is our new 24 model. As far as no door handle, you've seen how I did that? These are electric doors. So they open and close, they're electric, no door handle, no breaking fingernails. That's for you ladies. Let's jump inside and see what this dash looks like in this thing. Is that a nice dash? That's approximately 60 inches of dash. Now you can put more stuff up there or less stuff up there. Totally up to you. If I'm looking over there and I want to change something right now, as far as I had the weather there, but I don't like that weather over there, boom, I can get rid of that. I can pull my fuel economy, put that right up there. Did I move it? There. There's my average fuel economy on this. In-town driving right now, it's 23. Out on the highway this here roughly is 28 or 29 miles a gallon. That's not bad for a big heavy car. I like my weather up there though. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna put my weather back up there. Got a nice Jamestown weather for the next couple hours. It tells me my weather. I can have my navigation here, but yet I can also have my navigation up there so I don't have to drift my eyes as far off the road if I don't want to. And we're gonna keep moving, keep going to the map. There we are, we're in. Got my navigation. Wireless charge pad. Just drop your phone in there and start charging. 360-degree camera, lane keeping, lane centering, adaptive cruise control. This has the Revel Sound System. All right, we're gonna get into what I said, and if you notice, I'm moving my thumb. You notice up here, I can go up here and I can take my volume up, or I can take my volume down, or I can slide right over here, give it a voice command, FM 95.5.
Got it. This is FM 95.5.
And it just changed the radio station. Voice command, navigation, voice command, temperature, voice command, radio stations. Notice the new steering wheel, very easy to get in and out of. It's actually nice to drive. I can go over here and that's where I can tap in and I can get into my adaptive cruise control, my lane keeping, my lane centering. If you haven't had those features, you would really enjoy this new vehicle. People forgot about us in our Lincolns we have at RM Stouts. We have a total of 10 Lincolns right now on our lot. They just dropped some off. Right here you see right now I got a 24 Nautilus. I got a 23 Nautilus. We got them in different mileage bands. I got a Corsair, which is the next size smaller. If you want to go a little bigger, we got several Aviators in stock. And then if you want to go real big to the big boy, we even got a Navigator in stock. But total of 10 to pick from. You got choices. Stop in, see us. We can put a deal together. And yes, we will take your trade-in. RM Stouts for the best value.